Most of the time we need a PNG images for our works, for our texture, for our Photoshop works, vector works, and we have to search internet. Most of them you have to purchase them. But with the AI PNG generator, it's very easy. You have to just type prompt and it gives you a completely PNG without background. It's very simple. You can type, for example, a unicorn. Type it. A unicorn. You have to change the style, realistic, natural, or cinematic, for example, if you want. Which scene, which perspective of view do you want? This is controlling the camera view. No advanced, you can type negative prompt, the exactly thing that you don't want to be in your design. If you need a more artistry, you can increase or decrease a number. That ratio of your image is important here. You can type any number that you want. Lighting of your scene, that's I need a PNG. In the fast mode, you have to purchase standard or pro version, and let's generate 2 of them. Let's see what happened. It gives me a PNG without background that I can use in my works. You type exactly that is your mind, that gives you, and you don't need to purchase or buy or download. And the copyright of this is exactly for you. Interesting. Okay, I publish that to other people see. Okay, another thing, for example, an astronaut. I love them. And again, this style, you can choose any style that you want. And then you can create that. You have to describe more. It's a woman, it's not man. Where is that? And that's it. Or colorful flower on the cloud. Let's try that. Without any background. Change the style. No, it's not important in this case. Just generate 2 PNG for me. Nice. You can see it gives a PNG with clouds. Interesting. So I love this tool. I use a lot of PNG and I have to search. There has copyright and lots of problems. So use AI PNG generator. For using PromeAI, go to the description and click on this link. Then simple create an account. You can log in or sign up. You can continue with your Google account, or you can give an email and create a password if you want. And here is PromeAI website. For using the PromeAI AI tools, you have to spend coins. If you need more coins to using more of tools, you have to buy one of these plans. And you can redeem a code. I give that code in description. You can use it to get some coins. Please don't forget to visit our TutorialCells apps channel. In this channel, we are introducing Android application and learn how to use them.